guys, it's Chanel again, and I am going to show you how to make nail polish slime. So, please get me up to like 5 subscribers. 5 lower or higher, it doesn't matter. Or, doesn't matter how many likes or how many subscribers. So, I'm going to be making nail polish slime. The slime may be blue or greenish, but this is the slime I already made. It's really, my nail polish slimes are small and stretchy. Well, my nail polish slimes are stretchy. I don't know about nobody else's. So, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Oh yeah, sorry. One more ingredient. I'm gonna be using it with. So here's. Sorry, don't want to see that. Okay, so here's the container. Never mind. I wonder what's happened to all these freaking things. One thing I am going to add to it is this, to make it this color. So yeah, this is really what the color is. This is what the color really is. If you guys can't see it, it's okay. I'll just turn my light off and show you. This is glow-in-the-dark slime, but my next one, I'm not going to make glow-in-the-dark. And it glows in the dark. So this one glows in the dark. But the one I'm about to make now with this is going to be nail polish and oil, including this. So let's turn the light on by snapping my fingers. Ready? Ready? My other hand's right here. I'm not turning the light on. So, ready, set, and there we go. My hand was on my knee the whole time. My knee. So, yeah. Not to lie, because they said this girl lied. Oh, hold on. Roses are red, violets are blue. Yeah, roses are red, violets are blue. This girl lied to get more views. And I wouldn't lie. So, yeah. Let's get making this slime. So, these are the ingredients you're going to need. So, sorry, the camera fell. So, there's already oil in this container. A little bit of oil that's in this container. And there's already blue in the container. There's already blue in the container, so it can be this color. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, sorry, my slime was on the container. So, now what you're going to do is put this in first. You're going to add this The oil's already inside, so yeah. The oil's already inside, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? So yeah. Now you're going to add your nail polish. I'm using a certain amount, so that's why it's in this container. And if the nail polish can come out already, there. That is enough nail polish. Okay, so now you're going to start the mixing. And here's my dried out slime. It's like you can break it. Yeah, that's not good. And that was another slime. So now you're gonna start mixing. Now as you can see, it's already forming right there. So yeah, this is it. Yes, you can pick it up. It's okay. So yeah. So it's already forming, and this is it. So I'm going to put that away. I'm going to take this and knead it. You may want to dry it off with a towel or something. So I'll be back when it's finished drying, okay? Okay, so yeah. So this was the slime that was done. This was the nail polish slime. So I was so happy when it started forming because, well, this is not my first time making nail polish slime, but yeah. Sometimes I'm not allowed to make slime certain days because my mom says no, but I sneak it up anyway, so yeah. So you can poke it and stuff like that, but it doesn't stick to your fingers, see? So if you were to touch it, it doesn't stick to your fingers at all. So yeah. So now you're gonna keep kneading it for it to be stretchy. Then you're going to add some more of this to it. Here, let's put it in a better view. So this is it. I put it in a better view so you guys can see. It's not that, it's really small, so I'm sorry guys, the camera fell. Some cameras fall and things, so yeah. Don't judge me, okay? So I'm going to spread this out and then you're only going to add a little tiny bit. Oh, no, I added too much. Well, I didn't add too much, but I was like... So then you're going to poke it. You're going to pick it up and start kneading. Then you're going to add some more. Just to let you know, guys know, this is, what's it called? No, not laundry detergent. Dish soap. Yeah, dish soap. So, yeah. So, to make it, so, here we go. To make it stretch, to make this more stretchy, to like stretch right here, or the box to my camera, I'm going to add lotion to it. So yeah. It looks like gum for some reason. Doesn't it look like gum, guys? Comment down below if you think it looks like gum. Please watch this video. I'm not begging you guys, but yeah, let me go get the lotion. Hi guys, again. So this is the lotion I'm going to be using to put in this. So first you're going to have to spread your slime out. And then you're going to put a drip. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see this? Hold on. Ready? Ready? Steady, go. Okay, so now you can see it, but you can't see my face. You don't need to see my face. So now you're going to put the lotion in. And now you're going to take an edge and start poking. So now you're going to, as you can see, it's starting to get stretchy. Yeah, so I'm going to go put this lotion back. Okay, so I am about to turn the light on. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So here's the slime. Let's see if we can make it to the box. Oh my gosh, the box. The box. Yay, we made it! So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and when you finish the video, give a thumbs up. Tap the bell for more videos, and it'll let you know when I'm posting a video, when I'm doing a video, or when I already posted. So, or my latest update, or my newest update. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. So, thank you guys for watching. Check out my music channel. So yeah, okay, check out my music channel, and then I have a dancing channel. So I have a slime channel, music channel, and a dancing channel. Then I'm going to have a music channel. Different music or guess the music. Comment down below if what you think the song is. But you have to listen closely. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. That we own it, a reason to smile.